Hello and welcome to ChartMill. In this video I'm going to show you how to actually combine a predefined ChartMill trading idea together with some individual filters to spot breakouts before they actually happen. So first let's start with the trading idea, and we are going to use the very first trading idea on our trading ideas page, which you can find in the main menu on the left, trading ideas. So click on more info. So this is a breakout trading idea, a breakout screen, combining good technical and setup ChartMill ratings. So if you want more information, there are some related articles and also a related video that show more information. The stock screener settings, we're using the average true range for this screen, together with a minimum price filter. So stocks has to be above 20, an average volume of at least 500,000 shares a day measured over the last 50 trading days. And then we are also using the ChartMill technical rating, a rating of 7 out of 10 and a setup rating above 7 out of 10. Click on run and that will open up a different screen in the stock screener. The original trading filters for this trading idea are visible in the upper right corner, right over here. And currently there are 178 results, that is after the trading session yesterday, April the 4th. Now we are going to refine these results by adding some individual filters. And to do so we are going to open up the support resistance menu. And we're going to use the ChartMill channels. First of all, we're going to define the ChartMill channel width. So less than 6%. It gives us 49 results. And then for the upper ChartMill channel, we're going to define the length. So the length has to be more than 20 trading days. And we'll do the same for the lower ChartMill channel. Trading days above 20. 20 results. Next thing to do is to make these ChartMill channels visible on the chart. So open the chart settings and then click on the plus sign, and the ChartMill channels can be found as an overlay. So select overlay to add ChartMill channels, add indicator, and now those ChartMill channels are visible. I'm just going to change the view. Charts is okay, but I'm going to change the charts per line to 3. So now we have some very nice setups of stocks in a strong uptrend. That is the first trading idea, together with some individual filters to define a tight price range. And for that we have used the ChartMill channels, which are visible on the chart right now. Now this gives only 20 results. That is not so much, and much has to do with original filters. So open up general. So price has to be above 20, which is rather high. You can lower this, for example, just above 5 to avoid penny stocks. That gives 26 results. And then also the average volume is very strict, rather strict, 500,000 shares a day. You can lower this, for example, to 300,000. And now we have 32 results. Now bear in mind, these are the results worldwide. If you want to view just the results for the United States, for example, change the exchange to US only, and now you have 23 results. Another possibility is to define the price in relation to the upper or lower ChartMill channel. So let's assume we only want to withhold the stocks where price is very close to the upper ChartMill channel. That is also possible in ChartMill. Just select once again the support resistance tab, and the upper ChartMill channel, we've already defined the upper ChartMill channel length, and now we are going to define the price in relation to that ChartMill channel. So current 1% from the upper ChartMill channel, and that gives only 2 results. But as you can see, those 2 results reflect perfectly price very close to the upper ChartMill channel. PSN, Parsons Corporation, very close, a very neat VCP pattern. I will show it with an annotation. Change the color. So that is what is meant by a VCP pattern. If you don't know what a VCP pattern is, it's a volatile contraction pattern, and it's one of Mark Minervini's setups. And also for MCK, Yesterday, price tried to break out, but at the end of the session, the close was again below the breakout level. So that is one way to define price in relation to that upper or lower ChartMill channel. You can do the same for the lower ChartMill channel. Just change current 1% from the upper ChartMill channel, delete it, and then for the lower ChartMill channel, 1% from the lower ChartMill channel. And now we have 10 results. And as can be seen on the charts, all those tickers, the price is very close to that lower ChartMill channel. Now, the big advantage of a versatile stock screener like ChartMill is that you can combine numerous technical filters with specific fundamental filters, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So first, let's go back to the lower ChartMill channel and delete this last filter. So we are again at 23 results. And now we're going to add two specific growth filters. So open up the growth menu, and then, for example, earnings per share growth quarter to quarter at least 20%, and for the revenue growth quarter to quarter at least 15%. By selecting those two specific growth filters, we are left with only one result, PSN. So this result is a combination of three different filter settings. First of all, the predefined trading idea in ChartMill, breakout trading idea, where stocks are searched that have a very good technical and a setup rating, so bullish stock. Then we have used the ChartMill channels to define a tight price range. And finally, now we have added two specific fundamental filters, earnings per share growth filter and a revenue growth filter, both on a quarterly base. And this gives one result, PSN Parsons Corporation, which is definitely worthwhile to keep on your watch list. So one last example, but first let's take this back to the basic settings. So let's have a look at the analysts. So we are starting again from the 23 results. And now we are going to add an analyst ratings filter. So the buy consensus should be bigger than 80%. And we can also specify the earnings per share surprises. So for example, for the last 4 quarters, at least 3 beats. That gives 6 results. And if you want to even set a stricter filter. So the last 4 quarters all were better than expected. That gives 2 results. So that's another way to combine these different filters, and there are of course numerous other possibilities. You have to try it for yourself. So that concludes this video on how to combine different ChartMill trading ideas, filters and fundamental filters to find breakout setups before they actually break out. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. If you have any more questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Meanwhile, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.